Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta Explorer Serie 20. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta Explorer Serie 20 is not charging at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a failing battery, which may happen over time as batteries naturally degrade. If you ignore this problem, it could lead to further complications, and your device may eventually stop working altogether. To resolve this, we will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta Explorer Serie 20, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. First, ensure that the device is turned off and unplugged before you begin. To open the Rowenta Explorer, locate the screws on the underside of the device. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a safe location for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flat screwdriver, taking care not to damage the plastic clips that hold it together. Inside, you'll find the battery connected to the main circuit board. To identify the faulty battery, look for any signs of swelling or corrosion. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the old battery, carefully disconnect the cables attached to it, noting where each cable connects. Then, remove the screws holding the battery in place and lift it out. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Finally, reassemble the casing by aligning it properly and gently pressing it back together until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws on the underside to secure everything back in position. To test if everything is functioning correctly, plug in your Rowenta Explorer Serie 20 and see if it begins to charge. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly check the battery's health and avoid leaving your vacuum plugged in for extended periods when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.